you see the sun? The sun is saying, Shay, no matter what it is you're going through, it's going to be okay. And I receive that. As far as my weekend, I did not get one. I guess since I was complaining last time about getting one that was 18 for $1, Ibotta was like, fine, you don't even get one now. Now what you gonna do? Yeah. That's what they said. Yeah. But you know, I'd rather not get one than get 18 for $1. Like, Ibotta be funny sometimes. Sometimes they be funny. And so today I'm just gonna basically do what I want to do. If you guys watched my last video, I did post a reselling video, and I've been really focusing more on my stockpile lately. And you know, I'm trying to get my mind around feeling like I have to do deals just because I feel like my first thing is this something we can use? If not, is it something that one of my family members can use? Is this something that I can sell? If it's none of those, then I really truly should be leaving it on the shelf, you know, because then it starts to take up space in my house, take up space on my shelf. And so that's kind of where my mindset is at right now. So certain things that are just not selling for me, and I don't want to, if I'm forced to donate it, then I really just don't need to get it in the first place. And so with that being said, I'm just going to do what I want to do today. I'm going to try to focus on some food snack type deals. Josiah's going to be starting school on the 11th. So I'm going to try to get things that I can put together for his lunches. And so with that being said, we're going to head into Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do, hit that like button, keep on watching, and hype your girl up. All right, y'all. So this first deal is on the Yasso. I cleaned my freezer out the other day and realized that I had way more Yassos than I thought. I thought I had like 3. I got like 8 right now. So I'm not really sure if I'm gonna do this deal. But they are priced at $5.48 for this. You want to grab a total of 2 of them. That total is going to come to $10.96. You're going to use it 5 off of 2 OTC on checkout 51. It'll bring the total down to $5.96, getting back 5 on Upromise and $2 for buying 2 on Fetch. It'll make it $1.04 moneymaker now. Last time I tried to use the OTCs, I had both clipped, the 5 off of 2 and the 250 off of 1, and the 250 was the only one that came off. The next time I did a deal, the 5 off 2 came off. So I was thinking if you grab 3 of them, that total is going to come to $16.44 minus both OTCs. You'll pay $8.94, get back 7 on Upromise and 2 on Fetch. It'll make it a 6-cent moneymaker. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet, but definitely not a bad deal. All right, so next up is the Annie's mac and cheese. It's priced at $1.48. For this, grabbing 2 of them, that total is going to come to $2.96. We have an offer on Fetch for 75 cents times 2 plus 50 cents for buying 2 on Ibotta. We're bringing them down to 48 cents each. All right, so this deal here is on the Crisco shortening. These are priced at $3.38 for the single stick. You could also grab the can, which I have gotten in the past, but you know what? To be honest, I don't use this. I know we grew up on some Crisco. I don't know how many of y'all parents kept the can on the stove and you just kept using it and using it and using it. Nowadays, I'd be like, ugh. I'd be like, ugh. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and just grab the sticks, only because again, it's something I don't use. I'm gonna donate it. I'm gonna go ahead and grab 2 of them priced at, well, I'm probably gonna max it out and grab 4, but grabbing 2 at $3.38, that total is gonna come to $6.76, getting back 4 on one of the sister apps and $3.20 on checkout 51, making them a 44-cent moneymaker. Of course, if you grab 4, it's gonna make it an 88-cent moneymaker. All right, so this deal here is on the Takis Picks. It looks like they only have 1 flavor right now. I think they have 2 or 3. They are priced at $3.47. We have an offer on Fetch for $1.60, limit of 3, and we have an offer on Ibotta for $1, limit of 5, making it 87 cents each. I'm pretty close to cashing out on. I think it's on Joseph's account. That's the only account I actually have this offer on. I think my account is 50 cents. And so I'm going to go ahead and max it out and grab 3 of these. All right, so we have the mods. It's on the 4-count pouches. They are priced at $3.84. For this, you want to grab a total of 2 of them. That total is going to come to $7.68. We have an offer on one of the sister apps for $5. I'll probably be using Easybucks. And then we have $1.50 total back on checkout 51, making them only 59 cents each. So next up is the sausage project. I think I went over this in my last video. I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab it today. If you guys have tried these, let me know. I think I'm just gonna go with the regular basic chicken sausage. They are on rollback for $5.36. For this, we are grabbing 2 of them. That's going to come to $10.72. We have a buy one get one free offer on aisle. We have $1 for each on Ibotta, bringing them down to $1.68 per pack. This deal here, it popped up yesterday. I was just in the headspace of I'm not going to Walmart. All right, and at the same time, I was like, okay, what the hell am I gonna do with all this tomato juice cocktail stuff? And so I didn't run. All right, but I awesome for those of you who did run and do this deal. So for this, it was glitching. Now, the only app I still have it on is Easybucks, and that's only because I clipped it. So I'm thinking if there's ever in the future a G word, clip the offer because it low key, well, high key, it saved it for me. It was still there this morning. As soon as I walked in the store, I did this deal. All right, so they're priced at $4.97. It is G wording, like I said, buy one, get 8. So I bought 2 on 1 receipt. I ended up paying $9.94, got back 16 on Easybucks and $2.50 on checkout 51, making them both an $8.56 moneymaker. So tip, if something is G wording, so next up is the Ocean Spray Zero Sugar. It's priced at $3.67 for this. You're grabbing 2 of them. That's going to come to $7.34. Getting back $4 on one of the sister apps, $2 on checkout 51 makes them only 67 cents each. So this next deal here is on the Red Barn butter. They don't carry that brand at this location. This is a Ripple Street offer. It just popped up this morning. It looks like it's priced at $4.48. You'll get that back through Ripple Street. We also have a $1.50 offer on Ibotta, making that $1.50 moneymaker. All right, next up is the IAMS Proactive Health pouches. They are priced at $1.48. We have a free offer on Ibotta. It's also available for Walmart Rewards as well, making it absolutely free. All right, next up is the Finish Powerball. It looks like it's priced at $4.82. If you still have the $3 Knox coupon, it is still working. I'm not going to do it today because honestly, I don't even know if I have a bonus yet, and I'd rather wait till I know I have something to work towards, because I have oodles of these at home already. And so they're priced at $4.82. The coupon would bring it down to $1.82. And then you would get back $2 on Ibotta. I believe the Ibotta limit is a limit of 5, but Walmart's coupon limit is a limit of 4. Anyways, it's going to make it an 18-cent moneymaker. And of course, there is the Glade single warmer price at $1.97. This is a really easy offer for Ibotta. You're getting back $1.75. It's not going to make it free, but again, if you need to hit a bonus, it is an easy one for you with a limit of 5. All right, y'all. So I did come the other day, and they had restocked on the orange one that's been on clearance forever for $2. And so I grabbed 2 sets. So you'll pay 4. Getting back 5 on one of the sister apps. We also have $1 for each on checkout 51. It's gonna make it a $3 moneymaker. The last deal on the dial. Not as great a deal right now. It was originally a limit of 5 on checkout 51. I decided to max it out, and I got back in line. While I was waiting in line, the offer was gone. And so, but it did pop back up this morning with a limit of 1. So I grabbed 2 of them on rollback for $2.58. I paid $5.16, got back 4 on to and $1.50 on checkout 51, and made them a 34-cent moneymaker. But like I said, the limit on checkout 51 is now a limit of 1, which will still make it a really awesome deal for 2 of them. All right, y'all. So here is my complete haul for today. Everything here worked out good. Not a huge haul. I don't know, y'all. I really want to try those Takis. It says 0 heat. I like a little bit of heat. No, I like a lot of heat. I feel like they're going to taste just like Cheetos, crunchy Cheetos. I don't know. We're going to see if Josiah likes them. I'm excited about this chicken sausage, you guys. I am so excited about it. I wanted to do it, 2 hauls ago? But I'm finally doing it. Everything with this deal worked out good. I know one of you guys said you only got back 50% on this offer on aisle. I did get back the price of one of them and then the $2 on Ibotta, so it makes it a really awesome deal. I hope it's good. Again, I got the plain chicken sausage because I was just like, let's just go with the basic plain stuff. The tissue, I did that deal at Target. That's just a repeat deal. I figured it was an awesome deal. I'm really trying to utilize the extra limits that we have on Checkout 51. It's not all of the offers, but a lot of the offers do have a limit of 5 now. That was one of them. The Clamato is one. The Mott's, the Crisco, the Dial was. It's now a limit of 1 on that. So, I'm thinking if they keep it like that, that's going to be so awesome. At the same time, I know Amy mentioned the offers will probably run out faster, and I'll probably have to go back to doing those deals first thing Sunday morning like I used to. So that deal worked out really good. I'll pop up the breakdown for that. I did mention donating those to Josiah's school, but then I was thinking, they Sesame Street, he in the 5th grade. I was just like, maybe I should donate them to his class. I could see if he was in a kindergartner or he was in the 1st grade, but I don't know about the 5th grade. But I thought that was a good deal, so I went ahead and did it again. You guys, I had to go back. Like, I had to. It popped back up across the board. All the sister apps. Swagbucks, MyPoints, Inbox, EasyBucks, Ta-da, Upromise, Be Frugal. I'm giving Be Frugal a little break because they screwed up a couple of my last transactions, so I had to put 3 tickets in recently. So we got they on a little vacay right now, but it's across the board. That's what I'm telling y'all. With the sister apps, you gotta have them all. Like, you just really gotta have them all, because sometimes it might be here but not there, or there but not here. So it's good to just have them all just in case, especially when it's a deal like this, when you just want to just do it across the board. And so today this morning I did EasyBucks because it was all that I had this morning. It popped back up. I went back and did Swagbucks, MyPoints, and ta-da. Transactions worked out perfect. Of course, with the sister apps, you want to make sure that your transactions are slightly different. I added corn. I was thinking, what's the cheapest produce I can get? Have I ever made corn like this? No, I haven't. I don't even know how can I put it in the oven, right? And how long will it take? I figured if I can't do that, I could take the husk off and I can just boil it, right? Because I've never gotten corn in a husk like this before, but they were only 25 cents. So I did 3 transactions. One just had the juice by itself. One had the corn scanned first, and the other one had the juice scanned first. So all 3 receipts look different. And you want that because you don't want to have no issues with, them saying duplicate receipt or this receipt's been scanned already. That's how you avoid that. And we don't want to have to waste time putting tickets in and have to wait for the ticket. Yeah, we don't want to do all that. So to avoid that, do this. So yeah, I had to go back. Now, I know in my intro, I mentioned like not getting stuff that I don't need. I know I don't need those, but guess what I need? The money. And guess what I could do with that? I could put it in my gas tank because gas is going back up. And right now, it's like $5.15. And it got as low as, I want to say, $4.47. And so that's what I'm going to do with that. I'm going to put it in my gas tank. So it's a win-win. Now, what I'm going to do with this, I don't know. I figured I could put it in a box, take it to the food pantry next time I go, or I could give it to my customers, which is what I often do because it saves me time, right? And so with that being said, I had to go ahead and recalculate my calculations. I tried this. I had this for lunch earlier. I cut up tooties, put it in the air fryer with some rice. Bomb. All right. And so, yeah, excited about these because these were really good. And I always get nervous when it comes to trying new things. I'm like an old dog. I don't like new tricks. Can we just do the same thing? I'm good with that. But those were good. I liked them. And so, yes, with that being said, everything you see here retails $113.93. Again, not one single coupon, nada. And then we walk away with $33 from Easy Bucks, 27 from Checkout 51, 26 from My Points, 25 from Tada, 16 from Swagbucks, $10.48 from Ibotta. I was $5.36 and I already got that. That reward was $4.80. Walmart rewards $4.44. All of my apps worked perfectly today for the IMs. Merryfield was $4.03, and last but not least, PayPal is $1.90, y'all. Do not forget, this is the last month that you can transfer your 5% into your PayPal, right? So we're getting back a total of $158.43. It's gonna make everything you see here free plus a $44.50 moneymaker, you guys. This is so awesome. I'm so excited about this. I'm happy I went back. And low key, I did not want to go back. I did not. It's 104 degrees right now. I did not want to go back. But I sure did. I sure did. And I figured hopefully it'll reset on Sunday for Checkout 51. If it does and the offers are still available to do, I'll do it again. Otherwise, I would have just did it again. I would have just maxed it out completely across the board. But I didn't. I just did 4 apps today. And so with that being said, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, if you're able to score on that deal, let me know in the comments. What do you do with it? Because I don't know why at first I was thinking it was like a V8. I was like, I could do V8. I could do V8. I mean, I like V8 Splash, but I was like, does it taste like that? But somebody said you mix it with alcohol, so I don't know. But anyways, we gonna handle it. We gonna find a nice forever home for them. That's what we gonna do. We gonna find a forever home. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button, and I'll see you next video. Bye, guys.